Can artificial intelligence replace video editors? With the growing world, the updated and digital technology has taken artificial intelligence capabilities to the next level. The automation process of video editing software will be able to minimize the working load of the human video editors and make the video editing process more accessible. But the question is, can the video editing software or artificial intelligence assisted video editing technology be able to replace the human video editors completely? We are going to discuss this topic briefly and give you the most expecting answer through the video, and explain why you should not choose AI as an alternative for editing video manually. AI-assisted video editing software. AI-assisted video editing software is a set of files and tools in a device. It applies a computerized system to extract, explain, and understand the video content. Artificial intelligence technology can make a faster and easier editing process of the video. When an editor wants to create and customize videos with AI, he can only perform a few editing functions with AI, such as trimming, splitting, cutting, and adding different parts of the video. Various sites of the production and distribution process can be handled by artificial intelligence. AI technology has become able to filming, editing or customizing, and sharing your video clips online. You can create a memorable and engaging video by personalizing your video with AI. What could AI be used for? 1. Provides creative ways to make videos more interesting and engaging. One of the toughest challenges video editors face is to ensure that potential viewers will watch their videos from start to finish. In our today's world, the average attention span is estimated to be only 8 seconds. Therefore, ensuring your videos are short, crisp, and engaging is a must. Fortunately, AI video editing software, which can be implemented in a mobile app using a video editor SDK, is making this task a lot easier. The technology can augment your videos with different AR effects, such as face and color filters, AR masks, face touch-up, and much more. These features will make videos more interesting and engaging, leading to a higher probability of them being shared on popular social networks. 2. Makes the video editing process a lot easier. Some people don't want to edit videos because they think it is something technical and complex, like hacking the Pentagon. Artificial intelligence can change this perception. The technology can perform different video editing activities, such as adding audio, trimming or cutting, concatenation, time-lapse recording, and much more. This functionality, which is available on TikTok and Instagram, makes the process of creating high-quality videos easier than it was before. So easy that it can even be used by teenagers with no professional knowledge of video editing techniques. 3. Can be used to automatically extract content from the video. AI-assisted video editing software can be used to automatically extract portions of the video from a particular source. This is done by analyzing the latter's content to determine its highlights based on the presence of people, their actions, and emotional engagement. The extracted material can then be used to create a new video, saving video creators both time and effort. Why AI-assisted video editing will never replace the human touch. Despite all of its advantages, AI video editing software is not yet advanced enough to completely replace human input. A content editor will still need to intervene in the process because, unlike a program, people have creativity. Content creators can design a certain script for a future video. AI video editing software can, on the other hand, breathe life into their creative ideas to turn them into a completed video. Can understand emotions that allow them to create emotionally appealing videos. Unlike machines, people can see a bigger picture behind a video. They can understand its sensitive side and make the respective decisions based on emotions. Have personal perceptions of their own experiences. Unlike machines, each human can interpret a video in its own, unique way. Hope you enjoy the video. If yes, please like and subscribe for future video.